Okay, phenomenal. So basically, I will start sharing my screen right now and creating the plan. But we have some real talk to talk about, and that's basically about the mindset of a trader, about also the understanding of hesitation, the understanding of why trading is so much better than anything else. Like, I basically focus on building businesses over the years prior of me getting started with trading and focusing on that so much. And I tell you, when you start to focus and trade with people, different mindsets. I mean, not trade, but deal with people. Much different mindset, which is sometimes to say fairly difficult to work with those people. Like they want to grow, but at the same time, they don't. Okay, they are too hesitant. They are very worried to spend a penny, and yet you spend all your time helping them set up everything, and they just don't take action. So basically, we mark pre-market low, pre-market high. We need to mark yesterday, so we just go on daily, which will be the fastest way. So yesterday, apparently there is also a zone here, and that's the gap fill. We will put another zone right here. Okay, so this yesterday high, yesterday high. Okay, and let's just do similar activity on NQ here quickly. Okay, one moment. So yesterday high, pre-market, we put that here. Yesterday high here. Okay, this one was used 2 times and fairly good. Okay, let me just do that daily. I tell you, I really advise on basically, if you put time on other people businesses or even your own business, dealing with people, it's not always the easiest, let's put it like that. Dealing with chart is not easiest too. However, it's much easier than having all of a sudden people trust the issue and other things like that. So that's something that I recommend. And why I mention that is because I was helping a business, which I'm still helping them, but helping that business to grow. And no, this will be green. And what happened as a result, he comes and say, "Oh, like I can pay you." And in a month, I made great progress. That pretty much, you're not going to be able to build a business in 1 month. Pre-market high, yeah, that's pre-market low. Not going to be able to build a business in 1 month. Yesterday high, yesterday low. Yeah, we're good there. 30 minutes. Just to make sure I don't get confused on that. Right? And he's like, "Oh, I can't pay you, even though there is money, uh, because I want to only pay you on commissions." But we closed the fact that he pays me because I spend there a lot of time. And then I tell myself, why the fuck I'm spending there so much time when really I can spend that time in my education to really become very good at my trading, and I don't have to deal with nonsense like this, you know? So I basically told myself, you know what? That's it. I will focus on that. Okay, so we have the 5 minutes. We need to take this copy. We will paste that here. Boom. At 30. Okay. One moment, please. Hello, Canadian telecommunication. This call will be recorded. Your local phone number is sending a rapid set of messages. We will freeze your local phone number within 2 hours and manual customer service in 10 minutes. Please wait. Hang up. So, spam callers, you know how they are. So, what's my plan here? Let me actually see if we have the ES. ES pre-market high. So pre-market goes higher and higher. So that's very good. Okay. We have 30 minutes, but not 30 minutes zone. We have 4 hours here, which is freaking strong. Oh, we have that pre-market low. So we have this 4 hours. Let's just put 4 hours and we will have that green. Okay. This one was used. So 5 minutes used. Okay, just to mark that. So 30 minutes. We don't have anything, and then we have 15 minutes. 15 minutes. We have here a zone. It's going more and more to higher, so it's bullish. Now let's see with that. We still, in a way, want to make sure that we look for shorts, if anything. Why it's showing market closed? Market closed here, market open here. No problem. So on a daily we are here. This is a daily high more or less. I also will put my bookmap screen here. Once we come in, I will be watching that. Oh shit, wait. Okay, so let's write up my plan right now. So what's my plan? It's a bit harder for me to say that, okay, once I get to this area, I will take a long, but if we get to pre-market low, I will take a long. If we come to pre-market high, it's better for me when I have the 5 minutes to be able to mark those zones. Okay, so let's see what Carmine is saying.
Carmine Rosato said /ES spy, really not loving much levels here. Nothing has changed from yesterday other than overnight supporting those buyers where I took long yesterday around 25s. For today, I have to remain bullish above the levels of buying 6025/6005. One, as long as market holds 6025/6005 range of buyers, I want to remain bullish and look for ways to play long, targeting a break of yesterday high around 6065. 2, if 6025/6005 is traded with strong aggressive selling, best early on in session, and not met with same buying that's been there past 2 sessions, then likely to see a retest of 5,970.
Yeah, again, just a service for the car, no big deal. Let's see. So we can lower that, we can open back this. So he does that. Basically, retest of 5,076. So he's having the same demand of here. Okay, wow. So that's what I was saying, that we'll prefer to look for shorts, and he's claiming that if we break the 6,000 area here, pretty much, he will be looking for shorts. Perfect. We'll do the same. Okay. I feel like today I may not have the clearest pre-market plan, but I have a few points I will be watching. One, if pre-market low at 6020 will break on a retest, I will enter. Same for pre-market high. If break on a retest, I will enter long. Okay, so let's put here like this. Just copy that. Attached is Carmine pre-market. Get. Okay, and I basically will take this copy image. Okay. So right now we are long here. AMD motherfucker is crushed. But AMD has a monthly zone at 103, starting at 103. So watch that. And I think that's the lowest it will go. If it breaks that, man, maybe they are bankrupting and we don't know. Monthly. Let me add alert. Create. So we want to do that. Wow. Nvidia went back up to fucking 121. Apple keeps on dropping. Piece of shit. Come on, Apple. Yeah. Let me just wish people happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay, we ready? So today we'll be watching the bookmap. We'll be watching activities on the group. And so 10 a.m. we have another news event. Okay. Yeah, let's see what actually.
Review of your pre-market plan and Carmen's pre-market plan. Magnifying glass tilted left. Your plan review. Your current plan is simple but lacks depth compared to previous days. Here's what you mentioned. White heavy checkmark pre-market low, 6020. Break and retest equals short entry. White heavy checkmark pre-market high. Break and retest equals long entry. Red circle. What's missing? No defined stop loss and target levels. Rightward arrow. This makes execution uncertain. No confluence factors. Example bookmap absorption. Volume spikes. VWAP reactions. No confirmation conditions. Example candle close above / below level. Specific time of day for entry. Push in Carmen's pre-market plan versus here's Carmen's key points. Key cap 1 bullish above 6025 / 6005. Rightward arrow. He only wants longs as long as buyers defend these levels. Key cap 2 if 6025 / 6005 gets aggressively sold. He expects a move to 5976. Rightward arrow. He has a clear downside target. Green circle. What you can improve from Carmen's approach. White heavy checkmark. Define a bullish and bearish scenario instead of only reacting to pre-market high / low. White heavy checkmark. If buyers hold 6025, do you still want to short a pre-market low break? White heavy checkmark. If 6025 gets aggressively sold, are you targeting 5976 like Carmine? Rocket optimized plan for today. Push in long scenario. Checkmark entry. Pre-market high breakout plus retest with confirmation. Checkmark confirmation. Strong bids absorbing at 6030 plus. Bookmap. Checkmark target. 6065. Carmen's level from yesterday's high. Checkmark stop loss. Below 6025. Push in short scenario. Checkmark entry. Break and retest of pre-market low. 6020. But only if buyers fail to hold 6025. Checkmark confirmation. Aggressive selling at 6020 with no absorption. Checkmark target. 5976. Carmen's demand zone. Checkmark stop loss. Above 6030. Fire final thoughts. Your plan needs more structure beyond just if X breaks, I enter. Use Carmen's levels for confirmation. Is 6025 / 6005 is key today. Watch bookmap. Don't short 6020 blindly if you see strong buyers stepping in. Rocket execute with confidence and refine your plan for the next session.
Yeah, that's you see. So we'll be watching right now bookmap and how this creates. Hold on, let me just refresh bookmap. So we had a very big order coming in at 6052 for bullish, just like we saw yesterday, but it moves lower. So the question is if we can enter back in again with stop loss under, which I think we should. It will go to 43. But 43 is too close. If anything, my stop loss will be by above 52. So let's have a sell order here. Let's have one here. One here. Two stop losses here. Yeah. So this is something that I'm starting to spot, which is heavy buying, but yet it's going down. So I want the price to come back to this area. My stop loss is above that. For potential a drop to this area. This 30. Pre-market high. Yeah, that's what I see so far. So I have that as a plan. Yeah, let's wait. Checks me in. I can Yes. Checks me in. One thing only, that it's weak candle here, but no problem. You know what I'm seeing again? It's very big, another bubble. So this is good. It's weaker candle, meaning there is no wick on the bottom, but the fact that it's rejected like this, fairly good for us. I would target at least to here. Good. Almost checked me in again, and what we are seeing, we are back to around this level, right? Which my entry could have been one tick lower, which that's the level it started. Uh, and we would be able to hold. Yeah, okay, it's filming, no problem. Here is that 5 minutes test, which we are still in the 5 minutes, so maybe I can even move that. So what am I seeing right now is that basically, oh, did we touch the pre-market? Yes, pre-market. So we're literally with the pre-market. 5 minutes is with the pre-market. Order filled. Okay. Let's see if it breaks and retests, which right here, weak price action, but then here, stronger price action. Oh shit, let me just see something. So this is a level that has a lot of buying and literally close right under. Question if I would enter here, I can put my stop loss above that. But I need to see, because I can also think at the same time to go long here instead, because we have stronger price action. If I go long, my stop loss under here. Yeah, let me see. Okay. Yeah, I really want to just go long. Okay, I want to go long. My stop loss here. I will have another buy right here. Reason I do that is because we are testing more and there is a lot of buying pressure on this level. Uh, oh shit, I sold off? No, no good. No good. I fucking wanted long. You saw that, guys. Okay, so that was an execution mistake. Look at this strong candle. Five minutes. So that's somewhat of a buy limit. Okay, that's good. Right at the 5 minutes. And a lot like that's something that he mentioned to see if we go right away to drawdown. I don't see that it's a very important thing. So right there, see that was a weaker price action. But let's see what happens over the time. So pre-market high, something we can watch and we can buy another money right there. And our stop loss can be right here. Stop loss right here. Our target can be right there, minimum. Also, we can see how this level formed on the thing. Let me just move this a bit higher. Because right here, I can take one. Let's sell one. I would want that. It's 21,600. The one that we want to target right here. I don't like the fact. Yeah, let's create that. So we're above. Can't say I have any. Oh wow! Look at this! All of a sudden, selling, but yet still going higher. So very weak price action. I wanted to re-enter because weaker. Good. Let's buy. I want to trail stop loss. Got it. So if it will come again, I will make a trade again. But that way, so my stop loss can be right here. Why under this wick candle? And my next entry, if anything, can be right here. So you see, that's why I'm happy I took profit here. We have in 15 minutes, we have news. This cannot be there, otherwise it's a risky one. Curious if there was a news on 45, it looks a bit more volatile. Now we are 1-to-1. Look how it's moving. And if I didn't sell, I would have $2,000 profit. But I like to move my stop loss because I don't want to see trades turn to red. As a result, I fucking get my punishment on that. But I would enter in just a moment once it's come back here. In theory, it shouldn't even come there. It should go straight to 600. Patience. Yeah. So the good thing at the end of the day, I will be taking like screenshots of my trades, and I will see how many trades I took today, where I exit, where I enter, why I exit, why I enter, and so on, so forth. I don't like this because now it's going under the RSI, under the 9 days. Here it actually came back, but again under the 9 days and under the RSI. So a bit skeptical for that. Yeah. Fact that it's showing strong buying. It's good. Do, 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 do. Oh, nice. So this is good. So remember one thing. Wherever you are going to open, whenever you are going to open a trade, every setup should be able to have a label. Okay, so here you see it's not breaking. What happened? We're forming a little thing here. We need to break this and fucking retest. That's it. That's it. almost 600, and I'm telling you it will go to 600. Yeah, came almost to the 5 minutes again, but what happening? It's lagging. Consolidation. Okay, if you can label the trade, you are going to take it. It's a valid trade you should put on. No label, no trade. Let's see. One moment. Back to it. Go ahead, check me in, and let's go higher now. No, but it's under the RSI at 50%, so I want to see how it will go higher. No, it's most likely will not go higher now. Order out. I can see it going lower to 6,042. And right away you're thinking, okay, for example, the trade I took yesterday, I could label as passive buying absorption. There is a label behind it. It keeps me on my toes to only be trading when I should be trading based on my system and not take trades based on what I think will happen. Got it. Got you. So right there, I can enter short. Why? Because it's testing from below the pro-market low. Okay, my stop loss will be here and my target will be here, right? Okay, so that's one thing that is good for us. Now that we're having, we'll go to here. I just trade my stop loss. Okay, right there. 43. I do think it will go there based on, wow, it actually went away. So I think it will go even lower. Order filled. Oh, here, okay, we're ready to buy. I don't fucking see, and I hate that. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, under that, but I think it will go under now because it's very heavy selling. Not good. We can put the stop loss here. Need to break higher, aggressive. I want to take another one. I don't see the fucking price act. So what happened? It's below the 9-day EMA. It's below the retesting the 5 and basically at the pre-market high. I shouldn't have take a long. I should have take a short. Now, if the long works out, what you say, but based on what I'm saying right now, that's what I'm saying. I think right now it will go at least to the fucking VWAP, which is at 530. 530. Okay. Here we were making that, but we had a little diversion in a way. Here we actually can see this 1, 2, 3, 4 and fucking zoom to the bottom. But it's important to spot things like that on the go. Strong red action, selling action. Here, if we enter here, I put my stop loss right here. Yeah, I don't fucking. Okay, I put my stop loss right there. Take profit right here. Why do I do that? Because I do see here very heavy selling, and basically my stop loss can be at 575, which is right here, but that's not where do I put it. So I do see that most likely it even will come down to that area. But let's see. Right now, weaker price action. Okay. Sell it one more. I want to sell one more here. It's fucking fast moving. Look at the ES, also how it's basically consolidates right by the VWAP. Once it breaks the VWAP, we will have a lot more strength in selling. See, it's testing the pre-market. Sell here one. It's testing again from the top. Okay, right there. Wow, look, it broke this. Okay, we need to break this. We need to break it. Oh, nice. Whew, very nice. Wow. So I do like what I see. I do like what I learn slowly, and now that I do like it. Honestly, today I like the fact that I execute. I like the fact that I am seeing the bookmap and able to read more or less. What I don't like that I'm to learn how to put the absolute right setup entry and stop loss, and then let the fucking trade. Because here, right, I enter with one lot, and then I was able to basically target here, but I moved my stop loss because I had basically one lot. If I would have had two lots, I would able to, let's say an example, move then my stop loss to break even, have one take profit here, and run with the other one, put my stop loss, let's say, trailing. But it's all good. Like I still have to fucking, become Carmine on steroids better. Sell. No. But hold on. Sell. Fuck! It's wow, look, if I don't take profit, I will get stepped out. Crazy, brother. Yo. Oh, blast, I need to go for a moment to the bathroom. So, I will see you guys in the next one. Opa, we have volatility. I know we basically had news right now, and look at that. 600 was I saying? Yes, and look how it came there. It came there in such a fucking way. It's so many stop losses that it took on the way. Ooh. Wow. 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 What was that move? $50 in fucking 1 second. Even more, but more or less $50 in 1 second. So pretty much we look for longs in that area, or we can look for short. Now, most likely what we want to see, it's coming right here, right to the 5 minutes. We can look for a long right there, with a stop loss here. Stop loss right there, but yes. Yeah, it's already too late in a way, but no, maybe not. It might still come. So we do have the okay. What? Yeah, no good. You see, touching here and still didn't close. The most important thing is okay. So okay, what I see, it's pretty much. Let me see here. Come on, 42 area. We might have this going long again. Opa, let's go here. 42. How is that possible? Looking it. Wow. You see why it's so good to put stop losses? Wow. What the fuck, bro? Holy fuck. 33. Look, it's going 25 area. Where's that 10 point, 11 point? This one fucking 50 something. Okay, right there, it's 5 minutes. Couple of things, but I don't like that the 9 days is still under. See, almost at 25. Can we go higher now? And put my stop loss here to 40, it will go. I just didn't enter because I don't see the fucking numbers and it's bothering. Yeah, right there to fucking 40. Enter with 5 points. Small stop loss. Interesting is yeah, in this area I can look to short at 42. 42 to 46 I can look to short. In this area. One moment. Right there, 40 is coming.
Dylan O'Neill replied to Carmine Rosato, agree with this. I have 3 playbook setups, labels, that I scan for across all markets. They're repeatable patterns that I have capitalized on hundreds and hundreds of times. When I see those particular setups present with appealing risk/reward, I strike without hesitation, rinse and repeat with standardized risk and systematic risk management/trade management.
Yeah. Okay, so I will be back in a couple of minutes and we will continue. For now, I can leave the screen on, or I just will come to a new stream because it's an hour. So we'll make a fresh one. See you in the next one.